Namaste bachcho. Today we'll start a new chapter, chapter number 6. The name of the chapter is Azadi Ka Sukh. Here Azadi means freedom, Sukh means joy. So the name is Azadi Ka Sukh, that means the joy of freedom. So here let's start this class with the summary. This is a story of a girl named Malvika, and she was very fond of animals and birds, and she does not like to keep anyone in captivity because she was kept in an orphanage for few days, and that's why she understands the pain of living in captivity and also the importance of freedom. So this chapter highlights the feeling of sensitivity, love for birds and animals, and the joy of freedom. So to know more about Malvika, let's read this chapter. So you can see, first we have Kathin Shabd, that means difficult words. The first one is Sabziya, means vegetables, Pinjara means cage, Ashcharya, surprised, Nishchay means to decide, Mashgul means busy, the last one Jhijak. Jhijak means showing hesitation. So let's read this chapter. The heading is Part Pravesh, means first we will have the lesson introduction. प्रस्तुत पाठ में मालविका के प्रेम, उदार हृदय एवं सहानुभूति की कहानी है. Here प्रेम means love, उदार हृदय means generous heart, sahanubhuti means feeling of sympathy. So this lesson tells about Malvika's love for others, her generous heart and her feeling of sympathy. मालविका कैद में बंद चिड़ियों को कैद से छुड़ाकर इसलिए स्वतंत्र कर देती है क्योंकि उसने स्वयं कैद में रहकर कष्ट सहा है. Here the word swayam means herself. The meaning is that she wanted to free the birds from the cage because she was kept in an orphanage for few days and she understands the pain of living in captivity. Next line, वह चिड़ियों को आज़ादी का सुख दे देती है. Here the meaning is she wanted to give the happiness of joy to the birds. Now let's read the chapter. First paragraph. मालविका ने अडयार स्थित लेटिस ब्रिज रोड पार किया. So here it's the name of a bridge which is located in Adyar and the name of the bridge is Lettuce Bridge. So Malvika crossed the Lettuce Bridge in Adyar. वह सब्जी की दुकान गई. दुकान means shop. Sabzi means vegetable. So the meaning is she went to the vegetable shop. दुकान बंद थी. The shop was closed. दुकान के बाहर दो पिल्ले कू कू कर रहे थे. Here pille means the puppies, the young ones of the dog. So when she reached the shop, she saw two puppies crying. मालविका को देख वे उसकी चप्पलों से लिपटने की कोशिश करने लगे. Here लिपटने means to hug or to come around. So the meaning is when the puppies saw Malvika, they wanted to hug her and they also wanted to come around her slippers. Next line, उसने दोनों पिल्लों को गोद में उठा लिया और दुलारने लगी. उठा लिया means picked and दुलारने means to love. So she saw the puppies and she picked them and started loving them. Next line, दोनों बड़ी मासूमियत से उसकी ओर देख रहे थे. Here मासूमियत means innocence. The meaning is both the puppies were looking at her with innocence. मालविका का उन्हें यूं ही छोड़कर जाने का मन नहीं किया. So after seeing the puppies, she did not feel like leaving them alone there. Next paragraph. उसी समय दुकानदार ने आकर दुकान खोली. Here दुकानदार means shopkeeper. So at the same time the shopkeeper came and opened the shop. मालविका ने कुछ सब्जियां खरीदी और दुकानदार से बोली. So she bought some vegetables and she said to the shopkeeper, भैया इन पिल्लों को यहाँ संभाल कर रखो. Brother, please keep these puppies safely here. संभाल कर means to keep safely. मैं घर पर सब्जियां देकर अभी आ जाऊंगी और फिर इन्हें ले जाऊंगी. So she is saying that first I'll go home and keep these vegetables. I'll come back and take these puppies. Next paragraph. दुकानदार भला आदमी था. Here भला आदमी means good man. So the meaning is the shopkeeper was a good man. वह बच्ची के करुण भाव को समझ गया. So he understood the feeling of compassion of मालविका. मालविका दौड़ती हुई घर गई. That means she ran to her house और माँ को सब्जियां का थैला पकड़ाकर वापस लौट आई. So she ran to her house, handed the bag of vegetables to her mother and she came back. सब्जी वाले की दुकान पर भीड़ देखकर उसे आश्चर्य हुआ. So when she returned back, she was surprised to see many people standing in front of that shop. वह भीड़ को चीरकर भीतर पहुंची. Here भीड़ means crowd. So the meaning is she broke through the crowd and reached inside. भीतर means inside. वहां एक आदमी उन पिल्लों को खरीदना चाह रहा था. खरीदना means to buy, चाह means want or like. So there a man was looking to buy these puppies. दुकानदार उससे भाव तोल कर रहा था. Here भाव तोल means negotiating or bargaining. So the meaning is the shopkeeper was bargaining with that man. मालविका को देखते ही उसने कहा. So when the shopkeeper saw Malvika, he said, ये पिल्ले यह लड़की लाई थी, इसी से बात कर लो. So the meaning is that this girl brought these puppies, so you can talk to her. Next line. उस व्यक्ति ने पिल्लों के लिए उसे 300 रुपए दिए. 300 रुपए means 300 rupees. So the man gave Malvika 300 rupees for those puppies. Next line. मालविका को पैसे लेते हुए झिझक हो रही थी. Here झिझक means hesitation. So Malvika was hesitant to take this money. इतने में एक चिड़िया बेचने वाला वहां आया. चिड़िया बेचने वाला means the bird seller. So just then a bird seller came. उसके पास पिंजड़े में रंग बिरंगी छोटी छोटी कई चिड़िया थी. पिंजड़ा means cage. So he was having small and colorful birds in the cage. मालविका ने उन्हें देखते ही फौरन निश्चय कर लिया. फौरन means immediately. निश्चय means decided. So after seeing those birds, she immediately decided to take that money. चिड़िया वाले, she is calling the bird seller. क्या आप इन 300 रुपयों में मुझे सारी चिड़िया दोगे? So she is asking the bird seller, will you give me all the birds for this 300 rupees? So till here you saw the love of Malvika for birds and the puppies. The other half of the story we'll discuss in the next class. Now here you can see you have an activity. You have to read the first 10 lines of this chapter, record it and submit in teams. That's all for today. We'll meet in the next class. Dhanyavad.